Samsung has always been a strong player in the smartphone market, but their recent focus on budget devices is setting new benchmarks. Enter the Galaxy S16, a phone that's making headlines for all the right reasons. This isn't just another affordable option. It's a bold statement about the future of budget smartphones, and it's all thanks to its standout feature: long-term software support. 6 major OS updates. Let that sink in. For a phone in this price range, that's practically unheard of. It's a move that's redefining expectations for budget devices. While premium smartphones often steal the spotlight, the Galaxy S16 proves that affordability doesn't mean compromising on innovation or longevity. Launched in October, the Galaxy S16 arrived with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6.1 pre-installed. From the get-go, it promised a smooth and modern user experience. But what's grabbing attention now is its future, a future Samsung is already building with Android 15. Recently, leaked benchmarks revealed Galaxy S16 units running Android 15, showcasing that Samsung is not just keeping up but pushing ahead in its software update schedule. This early development phase gives us a glimpse of what's next. Android 15, paired with the upgraded One UI 7.0, promises not only new features but also improved performance and enhanced security. Samsung's focus on keeping its budget devices updated alongside its flagship models is a game-changer. However, timing is everything. While the Galaxy S16 is part of this exciting update journey, flagship models like the Galaxy S24 series are expected to receive Android 15 first, potentially by early next year. It's a strategic rollout that prioritizes high-end devices but still ensures budget options aren't left behind. This approach reflects a significant shift in the smartphone landscape. Budget devices have often been overlooked when it comes to software updates. But with the Galaxy S16, Samsung is demonstrating that affordable phones can also benefit from the latest software advancements. It's no longer just about what a phone can do today. It's about what it can become over time. The commitment to 6 major OS upgrades means the Galaxy S16 will remain relevant and functional for years. For users, this translates to better value, enhanced features, and security updates that keep the device running smoothly. It's a compelling proposition, especially for those looking to make a smart investment without stretching their budget. As Android 15 rolls out, the anticipation for the Galaxy S16 grows. This isn't just a phone for today. It's a phone that will evolve, adapt, and improve, standing the test of time in an ever-changing tech world. For anyone considering a budget smartphone that balances affordability with future-proofing, the Galaxy S16 is hard to ignore. Samsung's move to bring flagship-level support to its entry-level lineup is more than just a marketing strategy. It's a shift in how we perceive budget smartphones. The Galaxy S16 is proof that a device that doesn't need a hefty price tag to deliver long-term value and performance. This phone isn't just setting a new standard for its category, it's raising the bar for what users can expect from budget devices everywhere. With Samsung leading the way, the future of affordable smartphones looks brighter than ever. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.